morning, children. Today we'll do the spellings of alphabet B from a picture dictionary book. So the word is B-R-U-S-H, brush. We use a brush to brush our teeth. See, brush. B-R-U-S-H. I have a brush, brushed. B-R-U-S-H-E-D. I brushed my teeth. There are different brushes in this picture. So it goes like that. Next you have over there built. Build, B-U-I-L-D, build. B-U-I-L-D, build. The twins are building a bridge. See, both the twins, they are building bridge. Then we have Candy is brushing Poppy. Candy is brushing, see, Candy is brushing Poppy. Building. This is an Empire State Building in New York. See, a huge building is being built in New York. Bubbles. Miss Bang loves bubbles. See, she is having bath in the soap water. So, bubbles are there. That's why I am saying Miss Bang loves bubble. Burnt. B-U-R-N-T. Burnt. See the word burnt. B-U-R-N-T. Burnt. Burn. B-U-R-N. Burn. The sausages are burning. See, it's burning. All you can see the smoke. Then you have the bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T. Bucket. Fire and colors. Mr. Plants bucket. Sorry, find and color Mr. Plants bucket. So these are the words for your B, page 20. Let's do the words once again. Brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Built, B-U-I-L-T, build. Then building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building. Bubble, B-U-B-B-L-E, bubble. Bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Burn, B-U-R-N, burn. So these are the words. The sentence, there are three different brushes. The twins are building a bridge. Candy is brushing Poppy. This is Empire State Building in New York. Bubble. Mrs. Bang loves bubble. Bucket. Find the color Mr. Plant's bucket. The sausages are burning. Then we'll go to the next word. Then we'll go to the next chapter. Then we'll come here, the next page, that is page 21. In page 121, let's see what is this. Bush, B-U-S-H, bush. Who is behind the bush? There is a nice bush over there. I can see a lovely bush on the page. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Butter color the butterfly. I can see many butterflies. But Leo does not like chocolate cake but loves pineapple cake. I love to eat coffee but I don't love to eat. I love to have coffee but I don't like to have tea. Button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. There are many buttons on my shirt. Veera's blouse has got a lot of buttons. Butcher, what can you buy at the butcher's? See, butcher, B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Buy, bought. I will buy a dress for you, B-U-Y, buy. Past tense, I bought a dress for you. See, bat and bottom have two meanings in this dictionary. Find the two meanings in this dictionary. Okay, so children, this is the spellings for your this week. You have to do the spellings and nicely see to it. Again, I am repeating these words once again. That will help you. Achha. You have brush, B-R-U-S-H-E-D, brushed, brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush, B-R-U-S-H-E-D, brushed. Build, B-U-I-L-D, build, built, B-U-I-L-T, build. Then we have building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, bubble, B-U-B-B-L-E, bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, burn, B-U-R-N. Then we have bush, oh God. Then we have bush, see bush. Next page we have bush, B-U-S-H, bush. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Butt, B-U-T, butt. Bottom, button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Butcher, B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Buy, B-U-Y, buy. Bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. So these are the words that you have to learn for this week. Make sure you write it in your spelling copy and try to make learn these spellings, and we will ask you to make sentence in our next class when we will get time. So copy it and do it in your book and learn nicely all the spellings. Okay children, till then have a nice time, and don't forget to learn the spelling and try to make sentences on your own. This will help you to learn these new words from this picture dictionary. It will help you to increase your vocabulary also. Okay children, till then bye.